Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have seen ovaries are round shaped structure and these are present in lower abdomen part. Lower abdomen. Ovaries release ova, produce ova, and this ova release into the oviduct. The process of releasing ova from the ovary is known as ovulation. This is the ovulation. Got it? Now look over here. Here from this part we have seen vagina receive sperms during mating, and these sperms millions in number. Every month ovary produce one ova, one from this one, next one from this one. Millions of the sperms, they run here, and by chance they meet with the ova, and this meeting, this fusion is known as fertilization. After fertilization, there is a single structure is formed, single cell structure. This is called a zygote. Zygote undergo into a number of cell divisions and it form a ball-like structure which is called as embryo. Embryo enters into uterus and join with the uterine wall. This process is known as implantation. Implantation occur at the 7th day of the fertilization. After implantation, there is a junction, there is a connection between fetus, embryo and mother uterus. This connection is known as placenta, and placenta provide nourishment to the developing embryo and collect the excreta from the embryo. Now, second structure that is known as umbilical cord. The tube-like structure which connect placenta with the fetus. The tube-like structure which connect placenta with the fetus is known as umbilical cord. जब पैदा होता है बच्चा तो यहाँ पर उसकी नाभि से ऐसे umbilical cord लिपटी होती है. Later on, after birth, it cut. This is the umbilical cord. Got it? Now, the embryo develop in the uterus. Third month of the embryo, different body parts, ear, nose, hands, they start to develop and different body parts can be identified, and in this stage embryo is known as fetus. Now the fetus again further grow. At the 5th month of the pregnancy, mother feel the movement of fetus, and after completion of its pregnancy time period, 9 months or to 80 days, the embryo start to come outside, the fetus come outside from the body. The duration from fertilization till birth is known as gestation period. It is different in different animals. Now look over here. This is the chotu, and in this chotu there is its head part. So during birth, head part first come outside and legs comes later on. This is the process of coming out of the fetus. Young one, newborn baby, young one is known as, from the mother body is known as parturition. Is known as parturition. This process is called as parturition or delivery a newborn baby. It is highly painful to the mother. but sometimes mother unable to deliver it in natural way, so there are some extra hormone, extra injections should be given to mother. But sometimes mother unable to deliver, in this case the doctor cut the uterus and take out the newborn baby. This is known as cesarean. This is known as cesarean. Such kind of babies are known as cesarean babies. Sometimes before completion of its time of 9 month, 8 month baby, 7 month baby come outside from the mother body, and such kind of the babies are known as premature baby, premature delivery. In such kind of the babies, they need more take care. Got it? This is the entire process of the gestation, pregnancy, or now look one another point, that is known as menstruation. What is the menstruation? Or menses. Menstruation or menses. Actually, if there is, we have seen that under the control of various hormones, the mother uterus prepare itself for pregnancy, for implantation. But sometimes, many times, fertilization do not take place. Sperm do not meet with the ova. In such kind of the case, this ova come here, this unfertilized ova come here, and unfertilized ova, this inner wall of the uterus which is prepared for nourishing the young ones, this and inner wall of the uterus along with the ova and some amount of the blood, they come outside from the vagina, and this flow is known as menstruation or menses. It takes 3 to 6 days. It takes 3 to 6 days, menses. Now students, look, you have seen very fantasy, a number of fantasy movies in which there are a number of clones. Hollywood movies, a number of clones are there. Actually, cloning is very typical process. It has very less successful ratio. The first clone, Dolly, a she. Actually, there are many scientists made attempt in case of the cloning, but Ian Wilmot, along with his colleagues in the Roslin Institute, Edinburgh in Scotland, he made an attempt and got success. Many attempts to make the clones, but he got success, and Dolly took birth 5th July 1996. 5th July 1996, Dolly took birth. What is the cloning? And cloning is a kind of a method in which an organism develop asexually. An organism develop asexually. Asexual method. It means it has only genetic characters from one parent. In this case, the organism having characteristics of only one parent. कैसे बनाया गया, लुक ओवर हियर। मेमोरी ग्लैंड्स, एक यहां पर 2 शीप ली गई, दे हैव टेकन 2 शीप, 1 शीप वॉज दी फिन डॉर्सेट, जो फिन डॉर्सेट वैरायटी की जो शीप होगी, तो फिन डॉर्सेट शीप लिया। एक दूसरी शीप लिया जो कि स्कॉटिश शीप थी, स्कॉटिश ब्लैक फेस शीप, जिसका मुंह काला था, ब्लैक फेस शीप। फिन डॉर्सेट स्कॉटिश ब्लैक फेस शीप, 2 शीप्स हैं, फिन डॉर्सेट शीप एंड सेकंड वन इज दी स्कॉटिश ब्लैक फेस शीप। गॉट इट। शीप में जो मेल होते हैं, मेल आर नोन एज रैम एंड फीमेल शीप नोन एज ईव। गॉट इट। सो लुक ओवर हियर, they taken the a cell from the mammary gland, a cell from the mammary gland of fin dorset. Suppose this is the cell and this is its nucleus, this one is its nucleus. Now take the second sheep, that is the Scottish black face ईव, इसका एक सेल टेकन फ्रॉम दी Scottish black face sheep. Now from this egg cell, look over here, from this egg cell its nucleus removed, its nucleus removed, इसके न्यूक्लियस को हमने खत्म कर दिया, हटा दिया। एंड टेक द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द फिन डॉर्सेट एंड दिस न्यूक्लियस ट्रांसफर इनटू दिस एग, दिस न्यूक्लियस ट्रांसफर इनटू दिस। नाउ दिस न्यूक्लियस ट्रांसफर हियर, सो वी नो वेल द genetic information comes from the nucleus. Nucleus carry information from one generation to next generation. Because this one do not have any nucleus, so it does not show any characteristic of the Scottish black face sheep. It shows the characteristic of fin dorset because we take the nucleus from this one. So the dolly took birth and showing entire characteristic of the fin dorset. Later on it died on 14th Feb 2003 due to lung disease. In case of the higher animals, the cloning is not much successful. Most of the animals, most of the clones die before taking their birth, or if they took birth, they die due to they having an abnormality which causes their death after